will pop out.
You won't fall. Okay, here's our bar of soap. All right, Avery, close the door.
Now press start.
Yep.
Hey!
It's okay. It was his turn.
Just wait until the magic happens. It's gonna turn blue. 2 fish to much. Nothing happening much. Until it gets hey. Like our belly. Mine too. See? Ooh, it's starting to get a blue mess. It's like we had a paper towel. Yeah, it's pooping.
Avery. Is the blue doing anything?
Yeah. It's not really putting blue over though. There's a blue. That is so cool. That's so cool. You can like just grab it out of the oven like and use it over to wash your hands. This is just insane.
Whoop. Sorry.
This is so cool.
And it ends up looking like this.
You can do it too. You just need.
You doing an infomercial, Avery?
You just need soap, and you can have a microwave. Go, 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 pop, pop, pop. I think that's enough, don't you?
You all done?
Yeah. No.
No, leave it, Mel. Avery's not done. His is still growing in there.
I don't want it to stop until it's not really blue anymore.
No, it fell over on the blue. It didn't really work.
I'm gonna wait until it says 0, 0, 0. When it's done cooking 15 minutes. No, 0, 1, 0? No, 0, 0, 1.
Avery, stand still on the stool, please.
I mean 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. So it would be done.
It got stuck on the front glass. You got a little cleaner there for me.
This is so cool. So cool. Look at it. Just look at it.
Looks like toilet paper.
I know, doesn't it? It looks like chewed up toilet paper, like our dog. Look, Derby, look.
Toilet paper.
Derby, what's going on?
Maybe we should drop a piece, and then he'll eat it, and then he would.
That's gross. Avery, I think it's done. It's not getting any bigger.
I'm waiting for the 0 mark.
All right.
There, 0, 0, 0. No, you can't do it that way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, open it.
That is our masterpiece.
There's our bar of soap.
And there's someone here. Yours gets big enough.
Don't touch it, Mel. It's still warm. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye. See us next. See us next time on the Gross Show.
Really?